The controversial issue of smoking in the nation's workforce. Smokers cost employees almost $6,000 a year more than non-smokers. That's according to a new study in Tobacco Control magazine. And they break the numbers down even more.
More than $3,000 of that extra money comes from smoke breaks. And here's something else to consider. Companies save cash when it comes to pensions. That's because smokers don't live as long as non-smokers. New report raises legal questions. With us now, CBS News legal analyst Jack Ford. Good morning.
Good morning.
Does this give companies ammunition?
Certainly does. You know, we've seen over the years a movement toward banning smoking from the workplace. Now, especially given this report, I think you're going to see a movement towards banning smokers from the workplace. You know, the employers, a couple of things you need to know. First of all, there are 29 states and the District of Columbia right now that prohibit employers from saying, I'm not going to hire you because you're a smoker. That leaves 21 other states where this is going to become a battleground. And I think what you're going to see, as you said, is employers will look at this and they'll say, I now have an economic justification for why I'm just not going to hire you if you're a cigarette smoker.
Dr. David Agus, who is one of our CBS medical consultants, has said that now that more employers are going to be required to provide health insurance by the Obama administration and the action by Congress, that they will say, I don't want to hire people with chronic diseases or habits that may be more costly.
Well, we know that even in the Affordable Care Act that the Obama administration has pushed, there's a provision there that says, you know what, if I'm buying insurance, health insurance, and I'm a smoker, it's going to cost me more. Now, they also say,
and
by
that's
the
legal
way,
to charge
and that's
them more.
legal to do. But they say also, well, you know what, you can sort of buy out of that if you get involved in a smoking cessation program. So that's a good thing. But you're going to see, I'm sure, and we're seeing it already, a number of major companies have said, we're not going to hire smokers because it costs us way too much. And then the second issue is, if you are employed and you as an employee are paying part of your health care costs, can the employer say, you know, it's going to cost you more here? And some places you're seeing that play out already.
Is this the kind of case that will be decided by on appeal, go up the courts?
I think so, Charlie. You're going to see this because, you know, the courts have already looked at some type of job categories and said it's okay to ban people. If you're a fire person, the courts have said it's okay to say you can't be 500 pounds and out of shape. So the question is going to be, where does this fall in the parameters of what employers can and cannot do? And as all things, ultimately, we're going to hear from a higher court and they'll give us some direction on it.
Jack Ford, thank you.